Hello children. In today's class, 4th standard students, today is our social science class. We are going to mark the neighboring states of Tamil Nadu, 5 important districts, and also we are going to learn to mark the oceans on the Tamil Nadu political map. So children, you have to buy Tamil Nadu political map. Watch the video children so that you can understand. I am going to give only the 5 important districts only. So practice it, learn it. And also take your textbook students. In your textbook, page number 107, there is one activity given. On the political map of India, shade any 2 neighboring states of Tamil Nadu. And also they have given the second question. Mark the Indian Ocean, the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal on the map. Instead of India political map, we are going to use Tamil Nadu political map. That is the only difference. And Tamil Nadu has 35 districts. Out of 35, we are now going to learn only 5 districts. Okay, students? Watch the video. Take out your map drawing book. Draw the margin. Put the date here. Roman letter 1. Copy down the question. Mark the following districts, neighboring states and the oceans in Tamil Nadu political map. First, we are going to mark Tamil Nadu districts. What are the districts we are going to learn today? Chennai, Tiruvallur, Kanchipuram, Tirunelveli, Thoothukudi. And second, neighboring states. The neighboring states of Tamil Nadu are Kerala, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. And the oceans, Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal. The rest of the districts we will learn in the next class. So, copy the question neatly children. Write neatly, underline each and every. Students, this is the Tamil Nadu political map. So, what you have to do? The first step, you have to fold all the 4 sides. So, fold it like this children. Now, we are going to mark the districts, states and oceans. Always keep in mind children, before marking the places, we have to put the directions. What are the directions children? Very good. There are 4 directions. They are east, west, north, south. See here, east on our right side. East opposite to east is west. West on our left side. And north on the top and south on the bottom. So east on our right side we have to put east. On our left, very good, west. North on the topmost and south on the bottom. Mark this children. So children, see I have completed the districts. What are the districts I have given? Chennai, Tiruvallur, Kanchipuram, Tirunelveli and Thoothukudi. See the directions. East side on your map. See here. Chennai, the small place only. It is the Chennai. So write it Chennai. And top to Chennai is Tiruvallur. So the top one is Tiruvallur, Chennai. And next to Chennai is Kanchipuram. Mark it clearly children. Got it? One more time I am going to say. First you have to mark the direction. East of our Tamil Nadu district map. The top corner. You have to write Tiruvallur. Next to Tiruvallur, the in between a small portion is there. No. It is Chennai. Below Chennai is Kanchipuram district. Hope you have understood these 3 very well. And now we are moving on to mark the Tirunelveli and Thoothukudi districts. It is on the bottom of the Tamil Nadu district map. Students, see, as I already said, no, it is the bottom. It is in the bottom. So see here, Tirunelveli. Next to Tirunelveli is Thoothukudi. Got it, children? This is Kanyakumari. We will mark it in the next class. So this is Tirunelveli, Thoothukudi. So these are the 5 districts I am giving today. So, got it, children? Mark it neatly and color it. Always keep in mind you should not use brown, blue and green color. Okay? So, Trivellur, Chennai, Kanchipuram, Tirunelveli and Thoothukudi. See here the south. The south portion of the Tamil Nadu district map starts with Tirunelveli, Thoothukudi. This is the south part of Tamil Nadu. Next we are going to mark the neighboring states of Tamil Nadu. Neighboring states of Tamil Nadu. I have given Kerala, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh on the north. Karnataka on the northwest. Kerala on the west side. So shall we mark, students? So students, I already marked it, the neighboring states. So the first we are going to mark is the Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh on the north. See here the direction north. Andhra Pradesh. Mark it, children. Andhra Pradesh on the north and Karnataka on the northwest. See here northwest. The direction. So only I am telling you to mark the direction first. So Karnataka on the northwest and Kerala. Kerala on the west side. See, west. The direction, west side. So Andhra Pradesh on the north, Karnataka on the northwest, Kerala on the west side. So mark it, children. These are our 3 neighboring states. We are going to mark the oceans. Arabian Sea here, the west. Indian Ocean, the south. Bay of Bengal, east. Mark it neatly, children. You need not to color the oceans. It is already in blue color in your map. So these are the 3 oceans. Hope you have understood how to mark the important districts, neighboring states and oceans in Tamil Nadu political map. Again, one more time I am going to teach you. Whenever you are going to mark states, districts, whatever it may be, you have to first put the directions. There are 4 directions. There are 4 directions. They are north, south, east, west. And some districts we mark today are Tiruvallur, Chennai, Kanchipuram, Tirunelveli, Thoothukudi. And the neighboring states, keep in mind, children, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala. And the oceans we mark today is Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal. Now what is the next step? We are going to color it. And keep in mind, children, we should not use brown, green, blue color while coloring. So see, students, I have completed the map. I have colored. Keep in mind you have to color in a single stroke. Complete the map neatly and what is the next step? You have to paste it. Students, paste it like this neatly. Hope you have enjoyed today's class. See you in the next class. Thank you, children.